If you shoot with any of these Sony cameras, the Sony a7 IV, a7R5, and a7S3, keep watching. So welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about this little bracket by SmallRig, which allows you to very easily switch from horizontal video to vertical video. So let's talk about it and see if it's any good. Before we get started, I do want to say that SmallRig did send this along, but they are in no way sponsoring this video and they did not get to see this before this video goes out. As usual, links in the description below if you want to check this out. So there are a few things that I like about this. So first of all, the build quality, as we know from SmallRig, or maybe you don't know if you've never had any of their products, but
I have no idea what you are talking about.
SmallRig is well known for making very well built products. Built of this thing, it's actually very well built and it's not plasticky. They've been consistently good in that aspect. So this is what it looks like. And the very cool thing about this thing is that it folds. If you're shooting horizontal video, you just have it as this, like this. And if you want to switch to shooting vertical, you can just press this button and it'll fold this way, and now you can mount your camera this way. But let's put this back here first. So let's fold it back. So you press this button right there. And once you hear the click, it locks again. So let's install the camera. All you need to do is align this piece with your battery door, and that will allow you easy access to your battery. One cool thing too is that they include this little screw tightener, and it's magnetic, so it just stays in. Before you try to screw this to your camera, it also makes things easier if you just open this bracket first. And then now you get easy access to this. It has a very slim profile, which I like. So if you're not shooting vertical video, you can just bring this plate back over here. And this is an Arca Swiss plate. So you can just put it on your Arca Swiss tripod and attach it that way. If you have a Manfrotto plate, for example, you can just attach that plate to the bottom of this thing right here and use that. But the disadvantage of that is that if you have a tripod that is not Arca Swiss, you will only be able to use this in horizontal mode. And if you wanted to switch this into vertical mode, then this Arca Swiss plate receiver won't be compatible with your Manfrotto tripod, so you will need some sort of adapter to be able to adapt that. But if you already have a tripod that takes Arca Swiss plate, then you can just use this exact same plate for both vertical and horizontal video. Another thing is that this does not block the battery door compartment. So if I wanted to change the battery, turn this over here and open it up, and I can easily change my battery without having to take this plate off. So just put this back here this way. If you're shooting in horizontal mode, obviously this is not going to block your headphone jack and your little doors right here. But if you shoot in vertical mode, this may happen. You're no longer able to access this. But there's a really cool thing about this plate. I took it off my camera, and in order to solve that problem, you can extend the plate like so, this way, and now you can mount your camera. Make sure it's extended all the way through before you mount your camera. So once that's done, now you have some space in between the plate over here and your doors over here, and now you're able to open them back up. And now you can plug in your microphone, and this plate will no longer interfere with that right there. Now you're able to easily go from horizontal video into vertical video in just a matter of seconds. The only complaint that I have is that when you shoot in vertical mode, you're not able to see yourself because it blocks the LCD screen this way. So yeah, I guess you can see a little bit of yourself through this way at an angle, but not really. And you cannot mount this the other way so that this plate comes this way because the bottom is already shaped to the battery. So there's no way to rotate or flip the plate around. So that is my only complaint if you're shooting vertical video. So very cool accessory to add into your camera bag if you are a Sony user, particularly shooting with the Sony a7 IV, a7R5, or a7S3, and you need to shoot vertical and horizontal video. This is a very quick and easy way to quickly switch between both. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already for more content from me, and I'll see you next time.